Early morning load up. About to go ahead and pull this trailer out of here so we can go get these pine needles. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the new storage unit. As I mentioned, I have the storage unit now, so we'll do a walkthrough of that at a later time. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get this trailer out of here, get it hooked up to the Chevy, man, go get these pine needles. We'll be on our way. Just got to the job site. I got Manny working on the weed eater now. I'm about to grab the second weed eater so we can knock down all of the weeds, then spray, and then we'll start dropping the needles. So just roll with us from there. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock these weeds down, do some spraying, and then it's up from there. For right here, guys, I'm just giving a walkthrough. I actually did this same job last season, and I think it's important that you keep a client lead sheet so you have a database of project-based work that you did in the past, and also keep track of the price and the date of when you did it. I think that's important because if you charge too little or too much on the job, if they call you back again, you'll know how to adjust that accordingly. So I think that's important to keep a client lead-based sheet. We're doing the same thing to the back. Weed deed down, the weeds, spray, and start dropping the needles. We got the top, the front side finished already. We're gonna do the same thing. Manny gonna start on this side. I'm gonna start over here, and we'll just meet in the middle. Too easy. Just got the shrubs trimmed up on this side. Also the front. Bringing in the needles now. Start on the back. Got these trimmed up. Got one more side, a bush trimming. Then I'll be done with the trimming, and we'll both be able to start spreading. I'm about to help Manny unload the rest of these needles now and get started on that and finish this up. The handheld BG50 with me, still holding on. Looking better already. Got bales laid out. So we are rolling, guys, rolling. Last year we did this job. I was just telling Manny, the exact same job had 3 guys last year. And we almost to the thick of it. This hill part is the most challenging part, the most time consuming. We get around to the front, those little flower beds ain't nothing, man. We knocking it out. Knocking it out. Here. Get into this. All right, so these are the next set. I'm trimming up right here. These actually look pretty good. And just kind of take off some of those loose straggles on the top. You see, just to get it nice and even all the way around. And then I'm gonna just top this off, get rid of some of that wild overgrowth. I'm not gonna touch this too much, but Just get some of that stuff to sticking up, make it look a little more presentable. And this too, just kind of get some of the overgrowth. And Manny's coming around now, other side of the pine needle, so we're knocking it out. Finishing up now, man. It's been a great project, man. Great project. Just finished up doing the final edging around the beds. Manny is touching up on the blowing right now. All in all, man, it was a great project. Great project. Like I mentioned, guys, please keep a rap sheet of. I'm gonna slide over here. Please keep a rap sheet of all of the project-based jobs that you have done, and also track the price. The reason being because you can follow up with those clients in the future and say, I see that we did a pine needle install for you on this date. Are you interested in us doing a backfill? Or are you interested in us coming out again? So I think that's very important, man. Like I did the same job last year, and here I am out here doing it again this year for another refill. So, you know what I'm saying? I really couldn't ask for more. So I think it's important to kind of keep a contact sheet, man, of all the jobs that you've done, especially if it's a one-time job, because this is not a routine mowing client of mine. But if it's somebody that's contacting you for a one-time job, pine needles, mulch, bush trimming, keep a contact of that, man. Get their email address, get their phone number and everything. Just put it into a spreadsheet so you can follow up with those people in the future. Because I think it's important, man, to instead of always trying to go out to find new work, just concentrate on the clients that you currently have. Those are the ones that can bring you the most money because they already know what you can do, especially if you did a good job. You know what I mean? Especially if you did a good job, they already know what you can do. So they comfortable with you, they know your face, they know your business. So why not keep in contact with them and try to upsell them and cross-sell them on more services? I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna do a final walkthrough so you can see what a $1,400 pine needle install looks like. Like, comment, subscribe. It's not possible to get all of the needles up, but we did our best. We did our best. Need to retuck this right here. That's why it's important to do a walkthrough. Missed that section right there. Everything else is nice and tight, man. Nice and tight. And just double check, make sure we got all strings, leave nothing behind, and all materials too. Manny was asking me about the rake. I have no idea where it is. We're gonna find it before we leave. So got a few left over, which is fine. Got to get rid of this. Not bad, not bad. We'll come through and blow this one last time. And I'm actually doing a mulch install for this lady's sister coming up soon. I need to peg that too around the AC unit. Fun little project, man. Fun little project. Show you them bush trimmers. Did some pegging, edging along here. Also around this tree here. Corn project. Laid, baby, laid. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay busy. Catch you on the next.